Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your March love and work forecast for Cancers. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe. Magic Vents Tarot, friends, subscribe, like, and share because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one person is selected for a free reading, friends. So subscribe. Only those who subscribe, like, and share are selected. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. So let's see. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Let's see, Cancers. How is the theme of the month for March for Cancers? Okay, let's see. Cards are jumping. Ooh, Page of Pentacles. So your focus is on money, friends. Your focus is on career. Your focus is on education, forward momentum. Also, you may find this month is a bit slow, Cancers, because the Pentacles energy. I feel it is a slow month for you. Also, your focus is on money, on building stability, foundations in your life. Cancers, theme of the month for March for Cancers. Page of Swords. So an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person could also be important. Communications of all sorts are important, whether in love, work, or in your education. Also, communication is very important. You may be waiting for some sort of news, like you're waiting for news regarding money, regarding job. Yes, you are going to have it, achieve that news in this month. Also, people are very important this month, Cancers, for you. Let's see. Oh my god, Page of Wands. Oh, Queen of Wands, my god. So I do feel, friends, this is a very passionate month for you, Cancers. Look at that. You are feeling very bold. You are feeling very passionate. You are falling in love with yourself. You are taking charge of your life. Yes, I do see that this month... Cancers, your focus, you're very passionate about making your changes, important changes in your life. So you don't want to settle for less in the month of March. So even if you are settling for less, you will not be happy. You are like, no, I can't be happy here. You'll be like, no, anxiety. Yeah, my god, you are working so hard. You may have sleepless nights. You are working, you are overworked, Cancers. So look at that. Definitely, friends, you are working a lot. So there is a, you are working a lot, you are thinking a lot, you have a lot on your plate. This is a busy month for you, Cancers. You are very ambitious. A lot of people are coming for you. Lot of work commitments, lot of talks, lot of things happening, assignments, deals, all that. So take a break because you are busy, Cancers. What a busy month for you. Let's see who is coming towards you in love for Cancers. Then we're gonna see your work. Okay, Page of Wands. So Cancers and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I see something exciting is coming your way in love. Someone younger than you. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you. Chariot, yeah. I feel... Wow. Okay, I feel like, firstly, who is coming towards you? I feel this is a new person that's coming towards you, or they are already in your life, Cancers. Like, you already know them, but you are kind of like in long distance with this person. So they're gonna make a move towards you, they're gonna approach you, meet you, talk with you. I also feel that whoever is coming towards you, Cancers, they share a very important mission or connection with you this month, because this is a fated connection coming towards you. They could be someone from your past life that's coming towards you, karma. So I do see there are two energies here, Cancers. Someone from someone very brand new, or someone currently they will make a move towards you in the month of March. Secondly, I feel someone from the past also want to reach out with you, someone who hurted you, ghosted you, or who is like in no contact with you. They want to reach out to you. I don't know if you are interested in them, but yeah, they want to reach out. Who is coming towards Cancers? Temperance, yeah, someone wants to balance a connection with you. Someone wants to really apologize, or say sorry to you, but I see that you want a new person rather than the old person. More of the new person. Let's see what will happen in your love life. Queen of Cups, your own energy, Cancers. Wheel of Fortune, a new start, the Emperor, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, yes, friends, I do feel that there will be a powerful new start in your love life. Some of you are getting ready to move on with a new partnership or getting ready for a marriage or commitment. I see some of you Cancers are becoming more open towards love, and someone is making this Emperor who keeps waiting and watching you. They're gonna make a move towards you, Cancer. So, exciting times in your love life. Fool, yeah, brand new start. My god, you have one, two, three, four, five major arcanas and six, of course. Phew, this is an important month for you, Cancers. A brand new start is happening. Some of you may change your city or your location where you are living, or this person will meet you while you are traveling, or you may decide to move in or settle down with them, or they might commit to you like, yes, I'm moving in with you, or I want to travel. I'm moving to your city because of you. So big things are happening, big shifts in your love life. What's happening for Cancers? You see Eight of Wands. Yeah, some communications are blocked right now, or your love life is blocked right now, but it's gonna move from the 8th of March. Things are gonna be fly. Very important month. And I think by August your love life is totally changed, totally steamy, hot, passionate. So from March to August is a transition phase for you, Cancers. Let's see some advice, then we're gonna see your work. Okay, Cancers, their advice for love. Ooh, foundations and achievements. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely, friends. You are building, a solid foundation in your life, in your love life. Also, commitment, long-term commitments, future commitments, stability, marriage. All these things are important. You don't want to settle for less, and definitely you should not settle for less, Cancers, because more is coming your way. Triumph and success. Oh my god, Ace of Swords. You gonna break through, friends. If some of you are dealing with a breakup, or a legal issue, a divorce issue, or any kind of a breakup where someone did you wrong, you gonna recover from it. You gonna recover in such a way, and even get even more better people and partnerships ahead. So my god, it's like, oh my god, Triumph again. You were not believing me. You like, oh, she's just saying it. So God was like, see, here is triumphant. You gonna be victorious. Triumphant success. Triumph is coming. Victory is coming. Chariot movement. Progress is coming. Breakthroughs are coming. Clarity is coming. Oh my God. So don't settle for less, Cancers. It is your month for success in love, and it is your destiny to be a powerful manifester of your love life. Let's see your work, Cancers, how your work will be. Oh, discontentment and boredom. Okay. And your work, Cancers. Okay, so I think you are working too much this month, friends. You are a workaholic because you have this shadow, so you're working too much, and you're also fearing, if you are a student, you are really, a little bit of pessimism is there, like, will you be able to achieve it? Will you be able to clear your exam, especially like maths or anything, like something like, physics or maybe statistics? I don't know. There are fears about, within you. You are like, will I be able to achieve this thing or not? I think you can achieve anything. It is just fear, it's just a fear in your mind. It's not that reality. The reality is that you're gonna celebrate, you're gonna actually enjoy some success which is hard earned, and it is your success which you have worked for. You have worked endlessly for it. I do see some, after a long period of wait and long period of hard work, maybe 10 years, 3 years, 5 years, in the month of March, you're gonna receive some sort of a celebration, some sort of a success, and it will be like, "Foo, finally, you got it." Conflict and defeat. Yeah, do not feel pessimistic, friends. Do not be harsh on yourself. Do not judge yourself, especially too much in your career or education. Also, some of you are feeling a little bored, like there is not much enough excitement happening in your career or your education. You also feel like you want to travel abroad or work abroad in some other city or country, but things are not falling in place. I think you will be lucky, so don't lose hope. You will be lucky. 3 times unlucky is 4 times lucky. So you are going to be lucky, so don't worry. Look, crown chakra, listen to your intuition, listen, learn something new. The more you learn, the better you become. The more the weight, the greater the success. So your success will be very, very high, Cancer. So don't give up. Let's see what else. Just don't settle for less. Neither doubt yourself, Cancers. You are like this queen of wands or the king of wands. You have a lot of potential in you this month, so explore that. Learn something new and explore that in your, and you may be scared about your exams or something, but you will come out on top, especially if you prepare well. Sleepless nights, I see you working all day all night. All right, you are like me then. Younger man, dealings or relationships with a younger man. So, somebody younger is important. Miles, discord among family. Yeah, some sort of issues are happening with family. September is important. Somebody born in September. Tankard celebrations, fun and enjoyment. Celebrations are coming, friends. Celebrations, fun. Success is coming. Yes, you're gonna be successful. Wealth is coming. Money, money, money. Romance is in the air for you, yes, definitely. Towers, successful foundation, success with effort is coming. Target, a goal oriented person is coming for you. Pineapple, reconciliations are going to happen. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. So, you are going to be extremely successful, and a very, very beautiful month you have, Cancer. So, subscribe Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.